and welcome to today's Peaky Card reading. Today's topic is how are you guys shocking people? For that, as usual, we have three piles. Pile number one, pile number two, and pile number three. Guys, if you like my content, then guys, please hit the like button, share, and subscribe. Now let's get started. Hello, hello, Pile One. Let's see how are you guys shocking people these days. All right. So, the first one for you is the crown. Honor and respect will come your way. I'm seeing you guys are getting the respect and the honor for all the hard work that you have been putting in for years. I'm seeing a lot of you have been through a phase of stagnation in life, and today you are getting the reward. In spite of all the stagnation, you guys kept on working hard, and you guys are getting the reward for it. Broom, new home, new attitude. What I'm seeing is a lot of you have bought a new home. What I'm seeing is you guys are getting a lot of honor, respect, promotion. Also, some of you literally have bought your first home or first car. Also, you guys, your the way in which you look at yourself has changed. Your sense, your concept of self has changed, has improved. Your self image has improved. And you know what? Moment we start treating ourselves differently, people around us also start to do the same. Throne, position of authority. You are at a position of authority today. You are at a position where you have the status, you have that stability, you have what it takes to make it happen in life. People today realize that you are a person who has what it takes. You literally look like somebody who has got their life together. Today, you look like somebody. I'm seeing a lot of people from the past who would probably not really give you that much of respect are the ones who are actually have started respecting you. You guys have become way more time to act. You guys have become way more action oriented, very driven, very proactive and productive. There was a time when you used to be a procrastinator, but today you are a person who is extremely driven. You guys, a lot of you could be like Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Also, you guys are embodying a lot of Aryan energy, a lot of Martian energy you guys are embodying. And as a result, you are becoming very, very visible. You could become very attractive. Also, some of you are becoming like people who is to try and cross your boundaries and push your boundaries easily, can't get away with it anymore, and they are probably not liking this change. But people are realizing that they can't push you any further. Dagger, fear, worries, tense situation. You are a person who has got, like, I'm seeing you can literally, I'm seeing for a lot of you, you guys have felt being backstabbed by people whom you trusted once upon a time. So now it's your time to get back. You are not backstabbing them. What you are doing is you have learned to cut cords, to cut connections with those people who have insulted you, who have crossed past your boundaries earlier, who have emotionally or physically abused you and bullied you. You have literally cut cords with those people, and that change is very visible. You guys, that is shocking a lot of people. People used to take you for granted. People never thought that you could do something better with your life, but clearly you guys are doing. A long journey, either physical or mental, will leave you wiser at the end. Literally, I'm seeing your life, literally in your life, you have been through so much of trouble. You went through that trouble, and you guys have made it happen in your life for sure. Triumph over troubles and obstacles. Eagle, what I'm seeing you is you have been through a lot of trials and tribulation, and you have crossed past those hurdles to reach the position that you have today. it's a very hard earned thing, and you have realized that you can't let others take over you. You can't let others grab the things that you have gotten, so like you have worked so hard for, because you have been through a phase when you worked hard and others would take all the credit for it. But today you guys are working very hard. At the same time, you have got the realization that I can't let others take over me. I can't let others like literally get like take snatch things away from me. That is what I'm seeing. Like, you guys have become way more self-aware. You guys have become way more intelligent and diligent. That is shocking. Like, a lot of people used to fool you left, right, center. They can't do it anymore. Sunrise, new creative ideas, new ventures, a fresh start. Literally, you guys are having a new sunrise, a fresh start at life. Literally, I can see you guys having a fresher start at life, your life getting so much better. There are so many new ventures. A lot of you have had, like, you started a new venture and things taking off in your life slowly but surely. Like, nothing is an overnight success in life, but it was your opportunity and your years of hard work that is paying off, and people are shocked because, of course, they took you for granted. They never took you seriously, and now they are shocked. Opportunity and windfall. What I'm seeing is, guys, you guys have been through, there has been a struggle, but you are also getting your fair share. What I would humbly suggest is, you better start becoming, like, you have become way aware of the fact. I'm seeing, like, people are shocked. They can't imagine, like, the guys, you can't even imagine. Some of you, since it's a generalized reading, some of you are getting so much of abundance in one form or the other that you will be shocked yourself. You won't be able to believe that kind of abundance I'm seeing. Windfall of money happening, windfall of happiness, abundance, prosperity happening in your life. All right, guys, up until now, if you like my content, guys, please hit the like button, share, and subscribe. Guys, your support means the world to me. Your each and every subscription matters. Your comments, your likes. If you like my content, you could also support me by joining the membership, and it matters so, so much to me. It motivates me like no other. Unicorn, use your intuition to make beneficial changes. You are a person who is like a unicorn. First of all, what I'm saying is, you are a rare species. You are not somebody whom people tend to come by in everyday life. That is something I can see. Secondly, you are somebody who has used their intuitions, your intuitions, your intellect, um you know your gut feelings are also very strong. It has gotten stronger. Your sense about people, how to judge people, like the people's character, has gotten way stronger than what it used to be earlier. Door, opportunities are waiting for you. You are somebody, you have become a magnet of opportunity. You have become a person to whom opportunities tend to come. You don't have to knock on the doors of opportunities today. Opportunities tend to come to you. Opportunities tend to, like, literally, you are getting offered things on a platter today. You can't even imagine, you can't even believe that these things are actually happening to you. You thought that this happened to other people, and people are really shocked. You know what? It's not. I'm seeing for a lot of you, there is a total 180-degree change in your life happening, and this is something which is a shocker for your own self. You never really thought this could be happening to you. That kind of, okay, something important are back, such as a new job or a raise. Literally, a lot of you joining a like a new job. Some of you getting promotion, some of you, I'm getting, like, apart from your day job, you start some new venture, and that is taking off. That is giving you that extra cash that you always wanted and needed. firecracker, excitement. You are a person who is like, I'm seeing you being really excited about getting up in the morning. There was a time when life felt really drab, but today you are excited. You embrace each day with the excitement and enchantment of a little kid, because for you this life is so precious. Each and every day means a fresh start at your life. That is something that I can see. And people also are shocked. People, those people who would probably not take you seriously have become your fans today. They are the ones who are coming to you for suggestions. I mean, what other stuff do you need in life, my dear God? Like, literally, pile number one for a lot of you, you are going to be living a life, I'm seeing, which literally even you can't imagine. You have come a long way. That is something I can assure you. Butterfly, a change for the better. Literally, you guys, there is transformation, transformation, transformation. That's the key for this reading, and people are shocked. Also, physically, you guys have transformed yourself into a more graceful and poised kind of a person. Somebody who looks more sought after, somebody who does not go to people for work, people come to them for work. You are looking way more charismatic, and you know what? You no longer let others treat you with the amount of disrespect that they did earlier. Successful outcome to your problems. Literally, I'm seeing a lot of you have actually, some of you actually found a gap in the market and have started, you guys have started addressing that gap. You realize that there is this gap in the market, so let me just try and address that, and that is giving you a lot. Victory in some endeavor. You guys are emerging as victorious in life. You guys, a lot of you, I'm getting literally Scorpio energy. Scorpio, Pisces, literally rising from the ashes like a phoenix. You guys have been through a phase where you're so disappointed with life that you literally give up. Like nothing better can happen. So let me just carry on with this. From there, a 180-degree change happening. That kind of a scenario. You guys have become way more, you're embodying a lot of masculine energy. Even if you identify as a female, I'm seeing a lot of masculine energies, like you becoming way more persuasive, you becoming way more proactive, very practical, driven, goal oriented, target oriented, that kind of a person. And people can't even imagine, those who have known you from earlier times, like you used to be that person who would overthink it and you know procrastinate on things, who didn't have the right kind of confidence because you didn't work on your own self. Today, you don't let others decide what you need to do with your life, you do it yourself. The Tower card. Get ready. Things are about to get shaken up. Literally, this Tower moment I'm seeing. You are a person who is going through this difficult situations, who is totally, you have been through a phase, who has been through this Tower moment when you literally felt the rug being pulled from beneath you. Literally, you felt like the whole, your whole foundation felt like it has been shaken. A lot of you felt betrayed in a long term relationship. Some of you survived that betrayal in a toxic family scenario. Maybe your money was also involved and that was taken away. Literally, I'm getting for a lot of you rising from the ashes, phoenix kind of situations, and people are shocked because people thought that this person can't make a comeback for sure. Eight of Pentacles. Sorry, but fairies aren't going to come do all the work for you. Literally, you guys have done the work and not the fairies. A lot of people might attribute this to the fairies and people of that sort, but you guys have done all the work, and that has given you a lot of success. It's no, it's your credit. The credit doesn't go to anyone else. It's your hard work that you're getting paid for today. The Chariot, you will never get anywhere if you keep standing still. Literally, you guys are one of those people who believe in moving ahead and moving forward in life. You guys move ahead in life. You don't believe in procrastination. You believe in doing things, going ahead in life, getting prepared for a better life. If something has not worked out, don't look behind. You believe in moving ahead. If you can't walk, you crawl. If you can't fly, you walk. But you are a believer of the fact that if the things get tough, if when life gets tough, the tough gets going. You have got that kind of a mindset, very progressive. Two of Pentacles. When life gets chaotic, find a way to get grounded and balanced. You are a very balanced person. A lot of you are actually Librans. You are a very balanced person. For you, a chaotic life is not something like you have a very compartmentalized life. Your executive functioning is at par. A lot of you probably you could be like volunteering at the church, at the same time running two businesses and a family and doing everything with elan. You have a purpose why you get up today in life. Like your life has changed so much. Wow, what an abundant opportunity. You are a very abundant person. Abundance is something that surrounds you from all the sides. That's what I can see, that you guys, your life is filled with abundance today, and that is shocking people. Like you guys, your attitude, the way in which you dress, the way in which you act, talk, eat, everything about you has changed. Queen of Wands, replace your self doubt with self confidence. Literally, you guys have this is the cornerstone for your success. You guys have managed to replace every bit of your self doubt with nothing but self confidence. You and people around you, they never expected this from you, of all people. Nine of Swords, we all get a bit carried away with our worries sometimes. Literally, I'm seeing you have been through so much of trouble earlier that even now you tend to have nightmares. You still tend to worry about those situations. Spilled tea isn't the end of the world. You are somebody who is like, literally, what I'm seeing is you are a believer of this fact that even if things are not going in your favor, you still try to make things a little bit better. Because why I'm saying you this, because that has actually a little bit better every day can give you a lot more success. Incremental wins, that is something that you believe in. That's a very practical way actually of looking at things, by the way. Five of Wands, a good coven lets every witch have a say. Literally, you are a very democratic person because you have been silenced at one point. Today, you are a very democratic person. You are somebody who knows what to do with their own life. You are somebody who has been like, you are somebody who has a say, but also you listen to other people's voices, you respect other people's opinion. That is shocking a lot of people because this person is clearly successful, so but still they are so nice, kind and generous. You're still that way, and that shocks a lot of people. Light a fire underneath your cauldron and go. You have become extremely productive and proactive. Like literally, you are being like absolutely self driven. Your self drive, self motivation is paramount. The sun, give yourself permission to experience joy. You are a person who has experienced a lot of joy. Like I'm seeing, you guys are experiencing a lot of joy, lot of happiness. You guys are literally going through the summers of your life. King of Cups, always compose yourself before giving a response. Like you have become way more sorted and composed. Earlier, you would probably react to people's insults. Today, you compose yourself and you decide whether to react or just give an answer, or maybe at times just let them go, because people will be jealous, right? Because you are at such a position that people are jealous, people are shocked, they can't see you do so well. The Cozy Witch, take a chance, for each morning is a beginning, new beginning. For you, literally, each morning has become a new, fresh start at life. A fresh and better start at life. Your commitment is being tasted. Yeah, you have been through phases. Even now, at times, life tests you. But you are way tougher than that. And people are shocked. Like the kind of life energy that you exude, the exuberance that you exude is something that shocks a lot of people. Even through the hurdles and commitments that comes your way, the amount of exuberance and positivity that you have. Stop complaining and focus your attention on the blessings in your life. You are somebody who has been blessed in their lives. You are somebody who is living a blessed life, the best form of life you guys are living. Trust your instincts. Animal guardian, trust your instincts. You are somebody, your intuitions are and instincts are to be trusted. You are somebody who has a lot of faith. Your gut feelings, your intuitions, your instincts are something that people, that are very shocking to people. If you say something, you predict something to somebody, they usually tend to come true in a lot of ways. You might or might not be very strongly spiritual, but a lot of you have natural clairvoyant and cognizant gifts, and people are shocked by that, your intuitions. Be devoted and committed sage. You guys, a lot of you guys are like saints and sages who are extremely committed, very, very devoted towards their work, very disciplined. Somebody who gets up at 4 o'clock and starts working and does not complain one bit. Look at the bigger picture, Sagittarius. Sagittarius can be significant for a lot of you. You guys have a lot of leadership qualities about you. You guys tend to walk the talk. You guys do what you say you would be doing and implement that. You guys have natural leadership qualities about you, which is coming out now, and people are shocked. They didn't expect all that from you. Walk through your fears. Scorpio can be significant for a lot of you. You guys faced your fears head on and literally came out of it, and that makes you more invincible. Believe in the impossible. People, like you are as person, even when you are going through difficult phases, you always believe that life could make a turnaround. My life will turn around. That is something people are shocked about, because this is a person they knew that they probably laughed at you, but today they are realizing that really your life has made a 180-degree turnaround. Stay rooted and grounded. You guys are extremely grounded, extremely rooted. You guys, a lot of you could also be Capricorns, Virgos, and Taurus who are very practical and pragmatic regarding their lives. Yes. Camel, trust that you have the resources to get through the challenges before you. Literally, I'm seeing people see you as a very resourceful person, somebody who can survive a lot of adversities in life. Roadrunner, keep your sense of humor and don't take things so seriously. Literally, what I'm seeing is a lot of you have very strong sense of humor, very self-deprecating sense of humor, and you also do not, like, there will be ups and downs that will come in your life. The way in which you face the downs in life, the impediments and the hurdles are through your sense of humor, especially self deprecating sense of humor, and people are shocked. People admire that. Do a walking meditation each day for the next week. A lot of you could be into like meditation, yoga, life in quiet contemplation, self reflection. Those are the kind of things. Like you are very much in touch with reality in spite of coming this far in life. And that shocks a lot of people that this is a person who is actually very grounded, not for the sake of saying, but actually very grounded, surrendered to the divine. You guys have surrendered yourself completely to the divine. Peacock, let yourself stand out and be noticed. I'm seeing you as somebody who is like a peacock, who stands out in the crowd, who gets noticed in the crowd as well. Stand up for yourself. You are a person who knows how to stand up for themselves, who knows how to speak out and speak up for their own selves for sure. You deserve sugar and not salt. I'm seeing a lot of you, literally, you deserve nothing but the sugar and not the salt. You no longer take nonsense from others. You no longer take any kind of insult which used to come your way earlier. You just give them back in their own manner. You know how to give those people, nasty, toxic people, back in their own currency today. And that is shocking a lot of people. All right, guys. I hope you have had some clarity over your situation, guys. If yes, please hit the like button, subscribe, and share. Guys, your support means the world to me. Literally, if you like my content, please, please, please support my channel. Thank you. Namaste. Hello, hello, pile 2. Let's see how are you guys shocking people these days. Clearly, the bow, you are highly thought of. Literally, I'm seeing people have started looking up to you. Those people, especially, there was a time when people would probably not take you that seriously. But today, I'm seeing people are looking up to you. You are being highly thought of. People have shocked. A lot of you have gone through some real physical changes. Also, I'm seeing some status wise changes. Let's see, we'll figure it out. And people are shocked. Strong emotion, passionate love, and hate. I'm seeing a lot of you becoming physically way more attractive, and you are evoking a lot of emotion and passion in people which they had not felt earlier. What I'm seeing is a lot of you, literally, you guys have created a lot of upheaval, a lot of turmoil in people's minds. A lot of people feel very obsessed, a lot of Martian energy, a lot of obsessed Martian, clingy Martian energy. People also find you to be a little bit more standoffish. You exude a lot of strength and power, and as if you're coming from a higher position, a position of power, you naturally exude that kind of a position of authority and strength. What I'm seeing is you have something very dark about you, very dark, very elusive, very enigmatic about your persona. And that is actually, you used to be more of a very happy go lucky butterfly kind of a energy, to now somebody, even the way in which you dress, a lot of you have changed the color of your hair, or maybe you have started doing makeup in a more gothic way or in a heavier manner, something that makes you stand out in the crowd even more. That's something I'm seeing. Caterpillar, things will not always be this way. A change is coming. A lot of you are going through some massive and major changes in your life. Yes, you guys have changed, and you guys have changed for better, and that is showing, and people are shocked. People are noticing that about you. Flag, do not be tempted to lower your standards. Literally, I'm seeing a lot of you have, like, there was a time when people would get away by bulldozing your boundaries, but now you guys have developed a better sense of boundary. You guys don't let others, like, literally, you do not, you are no longer a pushover, and people are noticing that. I'm seeing a lot of people used to manipulate you, get away with a lot of things earlier, but today you don't let them do that to you. You do not let others dictate the terms of your life. A lot of you are actually, I'm seeing, if you're attracted to the first pile, yeah, you could go and check that out because there could be certain similarities with the first pile as well. Success assured with good plans and hard work. Literally, you guys have become way more hardworking. You have become way more disciplined. I'm seeing you have become very hard headed about success. You have started leading the way. You know what you want out of your life today, and you are not willing to change it for anyone else. You have become a person, you have started embodying a lot of masculine energies. Even if you are a female, today you tend to embody a lot of masculine energy, and people are shocked because today you have become way more authoritative in nature, like your position, your mannerisms, everything, and people are shocked. Carriage, a journey, either physical or mental. What I'm saying is, you guys are literally, you guys have been through an emotional, and a lot of you have traveled to a different country, to a different continent in order to settle down or in order to study or work and settle down. And also, I'm seeing a lot of you have been through some mental and emotional journey. You guys have crossed past a lot of things in life in order to reach the position of power and success. I'm seeing a lot of you have had a total makeover, both emotionally and physically. There is a transformation, a shape shifting has happened, and people from your past are really shocked because they can no longer see those glimpses of the old you in this new you. That's what I can see. Temporary problems. Yeah, you have had a lot of temporary clouds and temporary problems about you, but you have crossed past it. You have become a problem solver. You have faced so many problems in life that problems do not phase you anymore. You have become a problem solver, somebody who can take on life very easily. All right, guys, up until now, if you like my content, guys, please hit the like button, share and subscribe. Guys, your support would mean the world to me. Trust me, your each and every comment motivates me so much. If you like my content, you could also support me by joining the membership. So please, please, please support my channel. Thank you. Dogs, getting together with friends. I'm seeing you guys are walking on your network as well. You guys have, a lot of you were more segregated earlier, you were more secluded, but now you have become a person who is networking even more. You have become a fantastic person. Like, you guys are creating your solid network of friends and clients and people who know about you, who will assist you and help you in your times of need. People are shocked, like, people never knew that you had such great socializing power and capabilities about you earlier. Paying attention to your health. Literally, I'm seeing a lot of you, like, seriously, there was a time when you had let yourself go. Now you guys have started paying way more attention to your health, to the way in which you look, to the way in which you dress, everything. There has been a massive makeover. That's what I can see. Like, you have changed completely. A lot of you have become almost borderline obsessed about gymming, fitness, going for a run, those kind of stuff. Nest and emotionally secure, loving family is important to you. I'm seeing a lot of you have become very emotionally very secure, safe. For you, people are shocked the way in which you treat your family. You tend to prioritize your family in spite of coming this far, in spite of your busy schedule. You have a rule in your family that we do our dinner together, or maybe our breakfast together, like something you guys do together as a family, and people are shocked, like, you guys are still so well knit and so well connected with your families in spite of maintaining such a busy schedule. Desk, Pay attention to your work. You have become way more work oriented. You have become way more, like, active, way more driven about your work. Like earlier, you were like, yeah, it's happening, the projects are on, the work is on. But now for you, almost your work has become your worship. You prioritize your work over everything else. That's what I can say. And it's evident. You know what, guys? It's pretty clearly evident in your body language. Unsettled times need to plan ahead. Literally, you are a person who is a very good planner. You have been through a lot of unsettled times in your life. You have been through a lot of insecure situations in your life. Your insecurities, you felt very helpless. Your helplessness taught you to be way more grateful, way more hardworking, and way more determined. A great planner, great strategist. You are one of those people. You know what, people really are shocked, the way in which you handle difficulties with a calm, strategic mindset. You know how to navigate through the shark infested water. That is something that you do with elan, with aplomb, and people, that really shocks people. You'll be shown the way. Literally, I'm seeing people feel that you are a destiny's child. Universe, God, whoever you call him, they have a plan for you, and you are being shown the way. Your way towards success has been shown by none other than the universe. Excuse me, diamond, you'll be receiving or giving a precious gift. Literally, I'm seeing you guys have, like, that diamond is literally, you guys have transformed yourself into a precious gift. You are a precious gift for a lot of the people. You have become, diamond is also very hard and tough. You have also become a very, from a coal to a diamond, you have transformed yourself into a diamond from a coal. Literally, you have hardened yourself. You have become priceless today. Your status, your price has increased. You are like a precious gift for a lot of people. I'm seeing a lot of people are also crushing on you. Those people who would probably never think of paying attention to you earlier are now paying attention to you at last. All right. Whether you are interested now or not is a different story, though. Eight of Cups. If your life feels stale, explore new sceneries. Literally, you have become way more adventurous. You have become way more of a risk taker. You have become way more of an explorator. The explorator in you has awakened at last, and people are shocked. You are shocking people with your body language. You guys have manifested. Literally, people feel that you have this Jenny's lamp, and you guys can literally manifest anything you wish for. You guys have literally manifested all of your wishes. That's what I'm seeing. And people are shocked. People feel that you are a magic manifester. That's the kind of an impression that you guys have created for yourself. All right, Six of Wands, you are kind of a big deal. So start acting like it. Literally, I'm seeing people are like, you guys have gone up so much from people around you. You are quite a bit at a quite a higher position, and people have to look up in order to address you. And but I'm seeing a lot of you are still a little bit uncomfortable because you're not used to all of this. But the message for you is, you better start acting like it. Like, you are literally a big deal, and people, those who are jealous of you, are really shocked. They literally did not expect you to come this far, for sure. And people, of course, are shocked. I'm seeing a lot of people wanting to have a relationship, be it a long term romantic relationship, a marriage, or a business partnership with you, because you come across as somebody who is stable, somebody who is reliable, who is dependable, and people really love that about you. You are the magician. Remember, the magician has all the four elements of nature: air, water, earth, and fire. You guys have used the elements of nature to manifest a magnificent life for yourself, to manifest the dream life. A lot of you are on the verge of living your dream life. You guys are getting there step by step. You have infinite potentials about you, and people are realizing that you have a lot of potential and you are gonna go places in life, and people are shocked. Hierophant tradition is important, but it doesn't have to be everything. Literally, I'm seeing you guys have become, a lot of you have become teachers or mentors or healers of some sort, but you have a very out of the box kind of an approach towards life. You are not a very conventional person. A lot of you probably could be living out of an RV. Some of you believe in like staying in at one place for 6 months, then migrating to a different place for 6 months. You want to experience a lot. A lot of you believe in solo traveling. A lot of you probably are minimalists. So a lot of unconventional lifestyles being followed, and you guys are asserting like, this is my kind of life, I am gonna live it to the fullest. And people are shocked. You never asserted yourself this way earlier, but this new you have started asserting their independence at last. Look at you. You are bursting with sparkly new ideas. Literally, your new better ideas are sparkling. You guys are having so many new and better ideas. I can see that you are a person who is literally, you are having so many new ideas. You are actually utilizing your creative abilities, your active mind, your vivid imagination, in order to, a lot of you actually have a new venture based on your new ideas and vivid imagination. Some of you could become like an animation artist or an artist of some sort. I'm seeing for a lot of you, it could be a tattoo artist to animation artist to a singer, a painter, a chef. Some kind of creative activity is in the horizon. You guys have become way wiser. Literally, you take on new projects, you trust people, you make new friends, but you have grown way wiser. Somebody who shows you some kind of a red flag, you become way more aware. Earlier, you used to give lot more chances to people. Today, you no longer do that. The Lover's card, you are a person who is extremely romantically attached to you. You guys are romantically totally, like, a lot of people feel not attached, attracted towards you. Yeah, you have become way more physically attractive. It could mean anything: losing weight, getting looking more well put together, getting dressed in a better manner. It can be anything, but you guys are looking way more attractive today. Four of Swords. Why aren't you resting? I'm seeing another thing, that your work ethics have become impeccable. You guys have impeccable work ethics. You guys are relentless workers, and you don't get tired while working on projects that matter to you. And people are really envious of this fact, that this person have literally worked day and night, and they can literally, you can work day and night, and that has helped you transform your life. And people are shocked, like, it's, I mean, how can a person have so much of energy to do the work, the drab mundane work? But for you, your work is your worship. Every blessing you give will eventually be returned back to you. I'm seeing you are a person who is very generous. You are very generous, and you have always been this way, and you are getting the goodness in return. You have met with a lot of nasty people earlier. Now you are really getting the goodness in return. Trust in the unknown. You are a person who has a lot of faith in the unknown, who has totally surrendered themselves. Guys, if you're attracted to the first pile, you could totally go out and check, because a lot of you guys could be having similarities with the first pile as well. Because I'm seeing that, you know what, you guys have a lot of faith in the universe, and universe has played a massive role in your current success, and people are shocked that how big that can be silent, pay attention, and simply observe with your eyes, ears, and physical feelings what is happening inside and all around you. You have become a very silent, hermetic observer. And that is something like you're very good at noticing the gaps, the opportunities, the gaps in the market and working accordingly. You have become a fantastic person at noticing the opportunities and working on those like a cheetah. That's something that people are really shocked about, that you have become, your antennas have become so sharp. That's what people are shocked about. Unicorn, indulge your creative, imaginative, and magical side through some form of artistic expression. Literally, I'm seeing a lot of you are being seen as this unicorn. You know, a unicorn is a rare, rare species, very rare, creative kind of a species. Somebody, you are a person who is very creative, very imaginative, very magical. People feel that you have become way more like a lot of you are shining because of your newfound creative, newly discovered creative abilities. Also, you guys have become way more magical. That's what people are feeling about you. Enjoy success and happiness. Literally, you guys are enjoying your newfound success. You guys are very, very happy. You guys are going through the summers of your life. You are in a very happy space today. For sure, you guys are in a very happy space. Panda, create a sacred space for yourself in your home or place of work. Literally, a lot of you have become like, you enjoy your own space and own time. You network, you mingle with people, but at the same time, I'm saying you have learned to prioritize your own self. You guys have learned to prioritize, to assert your priorities. Earlier, you would prioritize other people's needs. Today, you have started prioritizing your own needs. Aquarius, full moon, show the world the real you. What I'm seeing is you guys have started showing the world the real you at last. You guys at last have started showing the world what you're truly capable of, and people are shocked. Like a lot of you, like you have always been maybe a little bit off centric, a little bit eccentric. Aquarius, out of the box thinker, ahead of your time. So people would take you lightly, like this person is crazy and stuff like that. But today, people can't brush you off easily. Like today, the kind of potential that you're showing, people can't brush you off easily. That's what I'm seeing. I am always enough. Do not doubt your worth. You have become way more self-confident, way more confident in your own abilities at last. You guys are showing a lot more confidence in your own abilities, that you have become a self-reliant and self-sufficient kind of a person at last. Expectations, do not seek anyone's approval. You know what? Earlier, you used to be more of a people pleaser, but today, you have transformed yourself into a person who does not give two hoots about what others would say. You are a person who knows exactly what is right for them to do, and you just do that. You do not seek other people's approval to do anything. That is something that I can see in you, that you guys have changed for better, and people also realize that they can no longer treat you like a puppet in their hand, and they are shocked, and some of them are pretty unhappy as well. All right, guys, I hope you have had some clarity over your situation. Guys, if yes, please hit the like button, share and subscribe. Your each and every subscription like matters so much to me. So if you like my content, guys, please support my channel, and also you could join the membership if you really want to be with me in this journey. Thank you. Thank you so much. Namaste. Hello, hello, pile 3. Let's see how are you guys shocking people these days. Clearly, right off the bat, the energy that I'm getting is you are a perfect combination of grace, poise, confidence and uniqueness. You give off the vibes of somebody who is very sought after, somebody whom a lot of people want to form alliances with. Clearly, people want to be around you, and that is making a lot of people shocked. That is making a lot of people angry, actually. Gavel involvement with the law. Literally, I'm seeing a lot of you could be lawyers or police officers or advocates or paralegals, or you are somebody who is an activist of some sort. I'm seeing a lot of transformation. Like a butterfly, you have bloomed in your life at last, and people are shocked. You guys, literally, major challenges to overcome mountain. You guys have actually overcome a lot of this rocky mountains in your life in order to reach wherever you have today. You guys have reached a position of power. You guys have reached a stable position. You come across as somebody who is proud, intimidating, somebody who is pretty intellectual, pretty cerebral, also somebody who does not tolerate any kind of disrespect. You literally, you are capable of flying high, but that has happened after a lot of challenges that you have faced. You are a very strong contender. Like facing you with challenge and confidence is something that shocks a lot of people, because you guys have changed. Your demeanor has changed. Bull, do not back down from opposition, show strength and fortitude. Literally, you have become a very strong contender. Like a lot of you could be Tauruses, especially Taurus, Capricorn, Virgo. I'm getting a lot of you could be Leos and Librans. Leo, Libra, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. These are the major signs I'm getting. And you guys are you have become, you have learned how not to stay a pushover, how to stand your own ground, how to defend your own points. You guys have learned that. Your life has taught you that. You have become way more graceful. You have no problem asking for the things that are rightfully yours. And if that irks somebody, then so be it. You don't care, because you know what you deserve, and you are not going to accept, you're not going to sell yourself short. Your sense of self esteem has increased. Rainbow, the most difficult part of the situation is over. Literally, you guys have faced a lot of self esteem issues, and I'm seeing that is where you're shocking people the most, because you guys have really evolved yourself. Your sense of self esteem has gone through a lot of evolution, I'm seeing. Yeah. Mountain Road, you are on the road to success. Today, I'm seeing you are a person who is literally, you still, you have been through a lot rocky challenges, a lot of mountainous situations. You're still going through the mountains, but it has become the slopes have become a little less steep. Earlier it used to be very steep. Now the slopes are a little less steeper. The roads have become a little bit better. So I'm seeing that people realize that this is a person who is gonna make it big. This is something that they didn't expect from you, because I'm seeing a lot of you having a lot of low self-esteem, coming from a narcissistic family situation where you were made the scapegoat. That kind of a scenario for a lot of you, so you could never bloom, but you guys are blooming at last. Secret admirer. You guys have earned yourself a lot of secret admirers because of the change. You have become way more classy, way more admirable, way more adaptive and vibrant in nature. Very easily, you tend to attract a lot of attention towards yourself today. And that is something that is shocking. Like earlier, you were more of a introverted person, but today, you are more of an ambivert. More than an extrovert, you have become an ambivert today. Gong, an exciting event. I'm seeing your life becoming way more exciting, and people are looking at you with a lot of awe, because they didn't expect you to have so much going on in your favor in your life. All right, guys, up until now, if you like my content, guys, please hit the like button, share, and subscribe. Guys, your support would mean the world to me. It makes a world of difference. And, guys, if you like my content, please, your each and every comment, like, support means seriously, it motivates me so much. Frying pan, troubles and accusations. I'm seeing, in fact, your haters are so shocked. A lot of them might turn around when you try to tell them that, what, you guys, I've been treated this way by you. You guys told me this. They might turn to, and they might try to turn the table on you and say that no, 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 you are the one who has been selfish, you are the one who has been a narcissistic person. I am the savior, I am the nice guy. So those kind of accusations or troubles are happening because people are so shocked. A lot of people are raging like, how can this person, of all, how can this person succeed so much in life? As they say, nothing succeeds like success. And a lot of these people are shocked because they thought that they would keep you tied to them as their slave, and you guys have emancipated yourself, and that is a big achievement, guys. Tower, solid foundation, success with effort. Literally, I'm seeing you guys have you have been through the tower moments where everything broke down, like all hell let loose, broke loose. Literally, that scenario. You felt that a rug has been pulled from beneath me. What do I do now? From there, you have led to a solid foundation to your life. They felt like when you left the household, a lot of you had to leave your household or your ex's house, something of that sort. They feel like, where will this person go? They have got nowhere to go. From there, with your own effort, you guys have managed to achieve success. You guys have managed to achieve a lot in your life with your own efforts and determination. And that is something that makes a lot of people feel like, oh my goodness, like how far, just look at how far this person has come. This person has arrived in life at last. Wishbone, a wish is granted. You are a person, you have had a lot of wishes being granted to you. You guys have had a lot of wishes being granted, meaning your wish were granted, the wishes that you felt like there was a time for you, they felt like, what, they were like the pipeline dreams, they will never come true. But I'm seeing you guys are accomplishing those so-called unreachable dreams, maybe that designer dress, the designer shoe, or the bag. It could be anything. It could be looking a certain way, dressing a certain way, living, going to a certain place, and you guys are fulfilling those wishes. And people are really, I'm seeing a lot of jealousy coming your way. Seriously, you have started, you have started solving a lot of your problems with a lot of grace. You know how to stand your ground today. You are not afraid to ruffle a few feathers. You just don't care. You are shining brightly. You guys are standing out no matter what. Camel, persevere and you will overcome problems. Literally, you are somebody who is like this camel, somebody who has a lot of perseverance about them, somebody who can persevere a lot, who has a lot of resolve about them, who is some you are very resourceful. You can survive the extremes of weathers, and you are somebody who has a lot of survival capability about them. Cat, the two faced friend. You have been through a lot of nonsense, a lot of toxicity. Even now, a lot of them would love to pull you down. Even now, they try to pull you down. They wish they could pull you down. I'm so sorry, but you have to go through all this. I'm so, so sorry. But you have had, even now, be very careful of those two best friends of yours, because there are people who are planning and plotting behind your back. I'm hearing people are shocked. They are plotting to bring you down. So be very, very careful. Bread, period of prosperity and abundance. You are a person who is going through actually the bread and butter scenario. You were a person who had to literally live from paycheck to paycheck. You had to worry about every little bit of thing that happened, every little bit of thing that you needed and wanted in your life. From there, today, you are no longer bothered. You are going through an abundant period in your life, and abundance is something that is happening to you at last. Acts. Forces working against you. I'm seeing a lot of you having forces working against you. You guys have a lot, as I said, people are, you know what? People are not just shocked, they are envious and they are trying to work to pull you down. Your career, your reputation could literally come at to become at stake, because I'm seeing a lot of them working against you to pull you down. So literally be very careful. Your career, I'm seeing career success happening, but at the same time, you know what? You guys are shocking people. You have ruffled a lot of feathers. So be careful about your emotional health, because people can try to ruin your emotional health big time. And work, achievement, success. Literally, I'm seeing you guys have worked very hard. You guys are achieving the milestones for the things that you have worked so hard for. You have worked very, very hard in your life, and you guys are hitting your milestones, your success milestones at last. The unseen. Seriously, I'm seeing the unseen, this eye. It tells me a lot of you are very wise people. You can see a lot of unseen stuff. You can see right through people's facade. You have the wisdom to see through people's facade and manipulation. So that is a savior. And but that is something that your detractors are very unhappy about, very shocked about. Also, you are a clairvoyant. You can see and hear things, you can perceive things which others can't. They are trying to hide in plain sight, so be careful. But people are shocked because of the wisdom. You know, when you go through a lot of struggle, you earn nothing but a lot of wisdom, and that is something that you guys are facing today. That people are so shocked because guys have grown way wiser. The forest card, literally, you are a person who embraces like an enchanted little child. For you, your life is more like a forest. At times you lose your way and then you gain, like, find your own way back. At times you are scared of certain aspects, the darkness. At the same time, at in other nooks and corners, you find some treasure trove. So for you, life is this way, and this is shocking a lot of people. Your childlike excitement and enchantment, literally the liveliness that you bring on table today, the exuberance that you bring on table is something that people are really shocked about. Live in a constant state of gratitude. You do. You literally live in a constant state of gratitude. You are extremely grateful, and people are shocked. They are like, people around you, I'm seeing a lot of people are very unhappy. You guys have everything that they had always asked for, and you guys, your life has actually filled your life with butterflies, fruits, flowers, everything you have got today. You know, you have got a lot of things in your life which people who were once way above you, they all wanted but they could never have, but you are having. The wheels of destiny, you have turned the wheels of destiny in your favor into wheels of fortune. The wheels of fortune have really started blessing you with all the abundance that you can think of, literally. Six of Swords, all aboard which it's time to write a new chapter. I'm seeing you as a person who is like, you know what, you guys have written a new and better evolved chapter for yourself. You guys have restarted your life. Literally, I'm seeing you guys starting your life afresh in a much better way, in a much solidified manner. Page of Cups. Let yourself be continually surprised by this thing called life. Literally, I'm seeing you guys are also mesmerized by, like, you are a person who is like a child. For you, life is like a constant non-stop endeavor, and you are constantly surprised, you're constantly enchanted by your life, and it's whatever it throws at you. Seven of Wands. You are a person who is extremely, like, you have no problem facing the difficulties head on that life throws at you. You are a person who has no problem. Like, you are a person who has managed to become like your character integrity, your, like, your strength of character has increased, and that is shocking a lot of people. You guys have started facing life head on, facing the challenges that life is throwing at you head on. Now you have the confidence and courage. Like, you face life like a boss. Whatever comes your way, you are not scared anymore. Like you used to be. You are like a scared puppy once upon a time. But today, I have endured so much that couldn't really do anything to me. What will this thing do? That has become your attitude, and that is shocking. That is like intimidating a lot of your detractors. Six of Swords, you are a person, you are like this tortoise. You know what, you have created your own way in the face of severe impediments. You guys have created your own way, you have created your own path. And you are somebody who has the mindset of not gonna give up no matter what. You have a lot of strength of character about you, which people are very, they didn't expect you to survive and come this far, like, let alone thrive. So that is something that is actually surprising a lot of people. Good luck charm. If something seems to be going your way, if nothing seems to be going your way, cast a spell. Literally, I'm seeing a lot of you come across as somebody who is pretty elusive, very enigmatic, very magnetic, very charismatic. So a lot of you could be witches. Also, what I'm seeing, this person, this lady gives off the vibes of somebody who is a space cadet. Literally, you are usually lost in your thoughts because you have become way more creative. You've got no time to think about what others would say, think, and do, because you have got your own life together today. When life gives you lemons, make enchanted lemonade. Literally, that's what I'm seeing. You are a person who has turned the wheels. You have the capability of turning your adversities into opportunities. You guys are one of those people who can turn, like, whatever lemons life throws at me, I'll make a lemonade out of it. Three of Wands. Put yourself out there and you will be rewarded one way or the other. You are a person who is like, you at last have gained courage to put yourself out there. A lot of you have started creating content. A lot of you have becoming way more proactively, like, social and social networking, those kind. A lot of you used to be very introverted people. Today you have started becoming way more social, way more vocal about your needs, about justice, about against discrimination. A lot of you probably could be running some blogs or vlogs regarding discrimination, regarding some kind of activism. A lot of you could be activists, and you have grown very strong. People are shocked by seeing the strength that you have today. You have a lot of strength about you, and that is something. You are a very kind person, but also very, very strong person. Yeah, high priestess, a lot of you could also be like witches, then mediums, then healers of some sort, spiritual healers, reiki healers, into crystal healing, then tarot, astro. These are your kind of things. When in doubt, your first gut feeling is always trusted. Be always trusted. Literally, you and your instincts, your hunches, your gut feelings are usually on point, and people are shocked. Like, you guys have some of you guys have natural talents into spirituality. Your gut feelings are naturally very strong, and that mesmerizes, that stuns and shocks a lot of people. Pause and savor the results of your success. Literally, you guys are celebrating the success in your life at last. Cat. It's time to strike out on your own and relinquish your overdependency on others. You are a person who is extremely self reliant, extremely independent. I'm seeing you being extremely independent, and you are no longer dependent on others. Literally, you are one of those people who does not need others. You don't need a shoulder to cry on. Rather, you have become the shoulder of support for a lot of others. And people are shocked. Like, people didn't expect. You used to be way more meek earlier, and now this person has become so self reliant. Balance spirituality and practicality, Pisces. Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio can be significant. You are a very practical person, but at the same time, you have the perfect balance between yin and yang about you. That is what people notice. Have faith in your dreams. Actually, the real you is blossoming at last. And people who used to literally insult you, put you down, those are the peoples who are mostly shocked. But other than that, mostly people are enchanted by your natural gifts and talents, because they used to probably put you down, would not take you seriously, and now you guys succeeding of all people makes them really shocked. Grouse, express yourself through rhythm and movement by drumming and dancing. A lot of you are extremely creative, and music plays a significant role. Or maybe you guys are making a mark in the sphere of music. It could be dance, it could be singing, it could be anything related to creativity and music especially. And people are shocked. Like, you guys are blossoming, and people can't bear it. That's what I'm seeing. I'm seeing a lot of jealousy. Honestly, I'm just smelling that. Polar bear, stand up for yourself and speak your truth respectfully and compassionately with no attachment to outcome. Literally, you are a person who has a lot of, like, you have a lot of guts to speak your truth no matter what. Set your sights higher. You are a person who, Aquarius can be significant for a lot of you. You guys are very ambitious, who are always setting their sights a little bit higher. Also, you are somebody who is very, very ahead of your times, and your true talents are coming out at last. That is shocking. Practice shape shifting by altering your physical appearance and mannerisms. Literally, your physical appearance, the way in which you behave, act, everything, your mannerisms, your physical appearance, everything about you has changed so much. You guys have shape shifted so much. You are good enough. Virgo, full moon. Virgo can be significant for a lot of you. You guys are more than good enough. I'm saying you guys are those people who are very secure in their own skin today, and that rattles a lot of insecure people, a lot of narcissistic, toxic people around you. Don't be afraid to sing. You have become a person who is not afraid to sing, who is not, literally, you dance to the tunes of your own bits, and that rattles a lot of people. Like, they can no longer control your narrative. That is something that ruffles a lot of feather. Take yourself out on a date. You have become so self-reliant that you prefer your own company. Once you start feeling, you can be alone but not feeling lonely. Without feeling lonely, you become invincible. That's something that is happening for you. All right, guys. I hope you have had some clarity over your situation, guys. If yes, please hit the like button, subscribe, and share, guys. Your support would mean the world to me. So, if you like my content, please, please, please support me and my channel. It means the world. Literally, it does mean the world to me. Namaste. Thank you.